Stop by and take a look at the 2004 300M. The Chrysler 300M is a V6 front-wheel drive luxury sedan produced from 1999 until 2004. The 300M is the sporty little brother to Chrysler's full-size Concorde sedan. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.